Hello everyone. Good morning. My name is Pallavi and our today's topic name is explain the modifiers. There are two types of modifiers present in Java. First one is access modifier and second one is non-access modifier. Java having two types of modifier which is used for accessibility and scope of field constructor class or methods. We can change access as per our needed in our program. So firstly we will explain the I will explain you access modifier. There are four types of access modifier. First one is public, private, protected or default. Firstly I will discuss the private access specifier. In that private access specifier, it is access only inside the package. Does not access outside the package. If you forget sometimes given access in our program, then by default it is default access specifier, and then a private access specifier is called as private access specifier because it is not share those property to anyone, any other, anytime. Suppose private access specifier use a real time example. Suppose our phone lock or banking accounts, we use a private access specifier. And then second one is a public access specifier. A public access specifier is a it is a access anywhere anytime because of we can give the access inside the class, outside the class, inside the method, outside the method, inside the package, outside the package. Everywhere we can access the private access specifier. That's why we called as a public access specifier. Third one is a protected access specifier. Protected access specifier, it gives the access only that class or its subclass. We can or inside the package only. If you want to protect or declare outside the package, then firstly you will create the child class of create a child class outside the package. Private protected is run and it's working access. Last one is default access specifier. Default access specifier, if you sometimes forgot give the access of our program or our program, then it is called by default and it is called by default value. Then we can forget any access to give our program, then default access specifier called. There are some non-specific access specifier present in Java, whose name in abstract, static, final, volatile, synchronize. It is a non-access specifier type. Firstly, we discuss one by one non-access specifier. Firstly, we will discuss static. Static is declared in static keyword with the help of static keyword in the Java. If you want to create a single copy of static keyword, then we can create a single copy of static keyword. Static keyword gives a allocate the memory when program is loaded into the memory or a class is loaded into the memory. That time static keyword provide the memory allocation. And then second one is a final access specifier. It is also non-access specifier. Final keyword, if you use final keyword with the method, then method cannot be override. And if you use final keyword in that class, then that class does not have subclass. Final keyword means if you once given any value, then they cannot change whole program. So that is we called as a final keyword and final access specifier. The third one is abstract specifier. It is also type of non access specifier. Abstract is one of the most pillar is object oriented programming, because abstraction is most important in the access specifier. And we can create abstraction, field, class, constructor, but abstraction does not allow in variable. So abstraction, that is all about non-access specifier. So today we are stop here, and thank you. It's all about, and thank you so much.